Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled The Moon, Venus, and the Pleiades. So what do we see here? Well, as you may guess, exactly what we see in the title. We see our moon, and in fact, multiple exposures of our moon visible here in the sky. So here we see 7 images of the moon taken at 7 different times over the course of a moon set as the moon was getting closer and closer to the horizon. So we're looking in the evening sky here, watching the moon get closer. Now it's actually a thin crescent moon, and you can see the thin illuminated portion down toward the bottom. That is the portion that is being directly illuminated by sunlight. The rest of it is being illuminated by earthshine, which is light from the sun that strikes Earth, reflects to the moon, and then back. So it allows us to see the entirety of the moon visible in exposures like this, even though really only a small portion of it is directly illuminated by the sun. Now, the other object that we see down below and to the left-hand side is the planet Venus, and we can see several different images of Venus there. Venus is the third brightest object in the sky, brightest being, of course, the sun, then our moon being second, and Venus is the third brightest of those objects. Venus here is seen as the evening star, and it alternates between being an evening star and a morning star over the course of a couple of years. Right now it is becoming prominent in the evening sky after sunset. And in this point, it actually lined up with the moon and the Pleiades, the other object that we see here, which is that small cluster of stars just below the moon in each of these images. The Pleiades is an open star cluster, a young star cluster of thousands of stars that are relatively close together. An open star cluster just means they're not gravitationally bound and that they will eventually spread out through space. Now, right now, the moon and the Pleiades pass close to each other once a month, and that's occurred since 2023 and will continue through 2029. That is just the positioning of the Pleiades near the ecliptic and the current positioning of the moon. And that allows this kind of thing to happen every month right now. The difference this time, Venus is also visible in the image. So not only the moon and the Pleiades together, which we can see each month, but Venus made an appearance as well as the evening star near the thin crescent moon and the Pleiades open cluster. So that was our picture of the day, titled The Moon, Venus, and the Pleiades. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Waves on Titan. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.